What's up, guys? It's Jimmy back here, and boom, look at that. What did I tell you? I told everyone to buy this stock right here, Under Armour, and look at that, boom. It gave me like $200 plus. I did lose on some other stocks, but that's okay. Look at see, over almost 300% gained. I did have over 300 at 360% gained at the peak of today, but that's what happens when you trade stocks. It's just, if you know what you're doing, you can make a lot of money on it. So I just want to show you guys my portfolio for today, how I was correct and stuff. Also, later today we'll be dropping an Apex Legends video. I played my first game yesterday. I actually downloaded it. I played it. First game I won 6 kills. So I'm gonna be dropping that later. But yeah, this is live. The market's happening right now. I finally got to sell off this stock after I lost a lot of money on that. But that's okay. Under Armour, I'm waiting for this one to pull up over, I got the line 22.38, so it's like 12 more cents, 14 more cents. So yeah, after that, I'm going to sell it. If you guys haven't, I would wait for a buy in for FedEx. FedEx is a great stock. Honestly, you can get it. You could buy in right now because it did pass the blue line. Now we got the 205 range. You could buy in right now for the next month, and I would just say you're gonna make a lot. Look, it just went up 186, top of the day today, but that's what we're looking at, guys. Make sure you have my notifications on if you are a stock trader. My callouts help. They're very helpful. I've made people lots of money. But yeah, guys, I just want to update that. I just wanted to update everyone on that, and hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you later. So, guys.